Hello friends, my name is Shivang Rajpal and you're watching the Sneakers TV. So, do you guys know that dialogue from The Dark Knight Rises? Why so serious? तो आज हम ऐसा ही कोई स्नीकर आपके सामने रिव्यू करने वाले हैं जिसमें ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होने वाली है. आई नो स्नीकर एड्स आउट देयर उनको पहले ही समझ में आ गया होगा कि मैं किसकी बात कर रहा हूँ. सो लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू इट. सो हियर इट इज़. ये जो बॉक्स है इट कम्स इन अ पर्पल कलर और बेसिकली बहुत सारे कोलैबोरेशंस ऐसे भी होते हैं जिसमें रेनबो कलर्ड बॉक्स होता है, बट दिस वन इज़ इन पर्पल. सो पीपल आउट देयर दे माइट बी थिंकिंग कि हाँ यार ये अगर कोलैबोरेशन है तो फिर उसमें रेनबो कलर क्यों नहीं है. देयर आर सम बॉक्सेस लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ देम. You can see here, I'll show you Nike SB written with the swoosh, and again there are some details on this side and Nike SB again on this side as well. और यहाँ पर एक बार कोड दिया हुआ है which I'll show you. I'll read it out for you. Nike SB Dunk Low PRM VSS. PRM is premium material and why so sad WSS. And now coastal blue. And then the size is 9 and there's a barcode over here. अगर आप वो barcode को search करोगे तो you might get to the side of Nike SB. So just check it out. शायद वो update होता है कभी थोड़ा late बाद में होता है. But I have got my hands on this one. So let's just open the box and I'll review it for you guys and you let me know कि आपको कैसा लगा box. Okay, not a very impressive box. मतलब ठीक है, मैं ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था, बट ठीक है, इट्स डिसेंट. यहाँ पर जो पेपर है ऑफ कोर्स वुड डिज़ाइन जो ग्रीन कलर की होती है ऑन एसबी डंक्स ऑलवेज देयर, तो ये उसमें भी है. एंड अगेन यहाँ पर ओह नाइस. तो ये है वो शूज़. मैं इसको बाहर रख लेता हूँ तो आपको बेटर आइडिया मिल जाएगा. सेकेंड बॉक्स को रख देते हैं साइड में. So these are the shoes which I was talking about. Let's have a closer look to it if you guys can see. इसको मैं थोड़ा साइड में रख देता हूँ. अच्छा, by the way, these shoes ये जो है ये कोलैबोरेशन है एंड जॉन रैट्रे. मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया अच्छे से इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन लेने का, बट इफ द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज रॉन्ग प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. So John Rattray, the skater, he started Why So Sad initiative, and because of that, I think this is a very much high priced reselling shoe, because ये कोई normal shoe नहीं है. मुझे लगता है कि सिर्फ इसके design और it is more than the colorways and you know the outsoles and the design, the laces. It is actually this has something. It has a story in it जो कि कहती है कि you know if you have any mental problem or something like that, you know if you have any depression or something like that, please seek help. So this shoe actually tells a story. So that's the reason इसका जो प्राइस है that's actually a very high price, जो उसका रिटेल प्राइस से काफ़ी ज़्यादा रीसेल में बिक रहा है. And that's the reason behind it. And honestly I really like that. मुझे लगता है कि this is one kind of that shoe जिसमें सिर्फ people are not here to you know buy it just for the colorway. And honestly मुझे इसका colorway बहुत amazing वैसे भी नहीं लगा when I'm first looking at it. ऐसे एक glance में बहुत ज़्यादा amazing नहीं है, but it has a story in it. Now I'll just show you all the sides of the shoe so you can you know judge according to that. This is the back side of it, you know, the red color with a question mark, and then again the front side, toe box is here, you can see, and then the left side. The right side also you can see a swoosh and a seagull over there. Acha, also I want to mention that all the Pigeon SB dunks, you know, they are very expensive. This is not one of them. So people might be thinking this is one of the Pigeon dunks. No, they are different. ये यहाँ पर seagull है और it is very good that you know they have actually created that. Maybe this is you know to express freedom. You know, there's a bird on skateboard, so basically you have freedom. So it is all about mental health, and I think that is really good. इसका outsole, you can have a look at the outsole. It is very translucent, but at the same time it is looking dope. And then there's a red color Nike SB written over here with a stamp over there, and there's a Nike swoosh. And I think because of this red color, ये translucent के साथ जो red color है बहुत ज़्यादा color blocking काफ़ी सही लग रही है. But one more thing I want to mention that because of this translucent color, if you guys wear it for a really long time, तो ये जो outsole है this will fade into a bit of a yellow color. तो काफ़ी लोगों को शायद वो अच्छा भी लगता है, but some people don't like it at all. So you can take your own call. And now the special part about this shoe is the Nike swoosh. Actually there's a thing that when you wear it for a long time, ये उसका फॉल्ट नहीं, ये एक्चुअली ऐसा ही डिज़ाइन किया गया है दैट यू वेयर इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम और दैट कलर, दिस ब्लू कलर विल फेड इनटू अ येलो वन एंड दैट वुड लुक डैम गुड. मुझे लगता है कि Because of the colorway, I think the colorway is light blue, the upper is light blue, and the overlays of navy suede, and I think that is damn good. पीछे जो back side है, the question mark, you know. Usually what happens is when you buy any Nike sneaker, there's a Nike written over there, or maybe there's a logo there Jordan का, but यहाँ पर एक question mark दिया हुआ है, and this is not very usual in the Nike sneakers. कुछ sneakers में है, and in this one I think this can be the selling point of it because of the colorway, and also this comes with extra pair of laces, a blue color laces, but I would genuinely go with the white ones. मुझे लगता है कि blue बहुत ज़्यादा एक ही same color हो जाएगा पूरे sneaker का, so that's why I would go with the white one. And I had seen someone wearing it with the red laces, you know he had got some red laces, और उसने यहाँ पर red laces इसी color की try की थी, and that were looking amazing. So you can try out new laces if you want to experiment with new ones. Now let's just talk about details, more of the details here. यहाँ जो इसका tongue है, you can see the tag over here, Nike SB written over there. And I also want to mention that जो इसका tongue है, usually the tongues are very very puffy, but in this one the puff is actually not there, like the usual ones. But I don't know what is happening. I think they are trying to cut down the cotton, but I actually really find it good when there is good cotton and it's puffy. But in this one, जो उसका cotton है, जो उसका puffiness है, that is not there as the usual ones. Now, the back side of it, you want to have a look there. ये यहाँ पर why so sad लिखा हुआ है, and I think the small details about it. I must say कि भले इतना बहुत amazing colorway नहीं है, but the details are really nice. And now the insole, of course, the insole. I want to have a look. Okay, so there is again a seagull over there with the skateboard. I think you can have a look. अगर थोड़ा सा आपको दिखाई दे रहा हो तो ठीक है, but there's a seagull over there and with a skateboard, and there's जो globe में वो designs होती हैं, जो horizontal और vertical lines होती हैं, that kind of a design. And also while I'm touching it, Nike SB or Jordans, when I touch the insole, थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है insole when you wear it for a long time वो ज़्यादा थोड़ा rough हो जाएगा. But touching this one, this material is a little different from all these sneakers, और मुझे लगता है कि that is actually a premium material which they have used in this one. So the insole is very very impressive. And the Nike swoosh, the yellow part which I told you, और उसका the back side colorway, the color blocking in this one is not that really great, पर मुझे लगता है कि there are some parts when you look at from the back, it is looking really great क्योंकि the red, the blues are looking damn good. So guys, I think these are true to sizes. So I think कि जो अगर आपकी कोई भी size है तो half number आप ऊपर ले सकते हो, but Nike SB dunks are usually true to size. So you can buy your actual size. Also, I just noticed that यहाँ पर when you see at this one, इसका जो insole है, इसके अंदर Why So Sad और Nike SB का जो collaboration है वो लिखा हुआ है. Basically Why So Sad and Nike SB collaboration, और यहाँ पर जो मैंने आपको बताया कि seagull with the skateboard is given. So there are two different insoles, दोनों के पैर हैं वो same नहीं है. So I think that is really good. Why So Sad again यहाँ पर question mark, and the overlays, यार मुझे actually overlays, the stitching actually looks really fine. And also there's a detailing. मैंने आपको बताया कि when you wear it for a long time, it will fade into yellow. I think ये बहुत ज़्यादा काफ़ी टाइम के बाद लोगों को अच्छा लगने लगेगा, क्योंकि कलर अभी फर्स्ट टाइम में बहुत अमेजिंग नहीं लगता है, लेकिन when that yellow color comes up, I think that will look damn good. और यहाँ पर before even that tear away, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा येलो डिटेलिंग दी हुई है ऑलरेडी विच यू कैन सी. तो थोड़ा सा डिटेलिंग अगर आप कोई देखेगा तो उसको बहुत अमेजिंग लगेगा, बट या दूर से द लुक ऑफ इट आई थिंक इट्स डिसेंट, but the material used, I think the material is really fine. And the laces, I told you, the extra pair of laces, yeah, pretty much a decent sneaker. I think it's really a cop, क्योंकि it has a story to tell, so it's not any other usual sneaker or SB dunk. It actually the theme is around mental health and depression and how do you seek help in these times. So it has a story to tell, so because of that it's a total cop. So guys, this was my review to these sneakers, और मुझे लगता है कि these are pretty decent to buy, not because of the colorway but because of the story it has. Because many people I have heard जो पहले इसको पहली बार देखकर the look which they had got, उनको लगा कि यार ये नहीं लेना चाहिए, but after that when they got to know about the story of these sneakers, the behind story of this sneaker, they actually hopped onto it. So because of that, it's totally worth it. Also guys, I really want to know कि आपके क्या thoughts हैं. Do you guys think that, you know, just because of the story behind it, it's worth buying these sneakers for this price, because the price is really high? So let me know, and please like, comment, share and subscribe, and please keep watching the Sneakers TV. Keep buying, keep kicking. See you again.